Hey, welcome back to Table Talk. Today we are going to be talking a little bit about the psoas muscle. Now, what is that muscle? That is a muscle that's actually connected to the lower lumbar or your back, and it actually goes into the groin area and allows you to lift your leg up. And so you can imagine if you're sitting or driving a lot, you're going to have that muscle being a little bit short and contracted. That can be a problem. And so if we kind of look right over here, you have your low back, you have that muscle, and then that can pull right there. And when you try and stand up, it's still going to be pulling, and that can cause that low back pain. It can also cause groin pain, and sometimes together. So here's a couple of things that you can do to kind of help alleviate psoas issues. You can get a sit-stand desk and kind of go between the two of them. That will allow you to have that freedom to open this up and be standing for a little while. So that's good. The second thing that you can do is you can do a psoas stretch. And I highly recommend doing this. That's where you come over to, say, like the couch or a bench or a table. And so I'm going to show you right here what I mean. You're going to take your hip. If it's the right side, it can be both sides. And you probably need to do it anyway on both sides. But I'm going to take this side. I'm going to drive it into this table here. And I'm going to put my foot kind of in front. And then from here, I'm going to let my hip go down into that and then lift up. By doing so, I'm going to stretch open this whole area here, and that's going to help and allow that muscle to be nice and loose, so to speak. So if you do that, I do that about 1 minute twice. You can do it on both sides. That will help open this up. After you do like a psoas stretch, it is highly recommended that you do a glute exercise, whether it be squats or whether it be kettlebell swings or whether it be back bridges. All three of those will help the glutes to fire. Back bridges are probably recommended if you're having a whole lot of back pain, versus if your back's kind of okay, you can probably do kettlebell swings, and that's going to help contract the glutes, which then turns off that muscle because they are they're basically opposite muscles. And so that'll be my two cents on this. Is that, again, get that sit stand desk, go ahead and do the psoas stretch. Okay, so go ahead and stretch that open, and then follow that up with a glute exercise. Keep following us. We'll keep giving you more health tips.